Good morning, friends. It is Friday before a long weekend, and I am super excited about that. How about you, right? And so we are in high cotton here at the Gardener's Workshop. Look at all these flowers. The flowers, we can't even fit them all. There's like layers of flowers all around for the show today. So if you've never joined us for our live shopping harvest show, this is your invitation. It happens at 12 noon Eastern time. While you can watch it here on social media, here's the news flash. We have a phone app, and when you're in the app, you can actually talk with the other viewers live. You can participate in the giveaway. And friends, I give away like $25 store credit every week is what I love to give away. Have one of those today. We always have a deal of the day, and I will tell you, for those of you that have never met this garden tool, this is my favorite fall garden tool. So you have to join the show, and it's the deal of the day. It's 20% off. So we'll talk about that. My sister will be here with me. She loves talking about this tool also. So today is about farming and gardening smarter, not harder. And it is facts, friends. This is what should be the foundation of your flower farm, and even if you're an avid gardener, which means you're gardening every day, right? This will just streamline for you to get more done with less work, and I can't wait to share all that. I'll be soil blocking. I'm also going to be sowing snapdragons, which so many people have trouble with. So friends, you can either comment app here, or you can just go to your phone's app store and search Gardener's Workshop and then download the live shop. And I will tell you that in our live shop app, my phone app for shopping, we always offer free shipping on seed packet only orders. That means you can go in there and order seeds anytime, and I pay the shipping. So that's and that's not on our website. This is just in our app. There's great videos on every product. So what we're learning is people are shopping as much on our app as they are on our big website. It is pretty mind-blowing, actually. So get the app. It's totally free. Download it. Has a lot of great features. You can build favorites lists and all kinds of great stuff. So meet me inside the app at 12 noon, and I will talk about what I use this for. And that is the deal of the day. And we also are offering a product over here in the app today that we don't normally offer, because in the app has a flat rate shipping on products of $9.95. So some of our products cost a lot more than that to ship, so we can't sell them over here, right? Well, we occasionally bring one over and let you take advantage of the flat rate shipping. And look what it is this week, y'all. The trays that you guys absolutely love. So the special for this is you just pay $9.95 shipping for one time for all your products, and that means you can get a set of 5 of these trays. So today's show is really going to kick your weekend off. So I hope to see you on the inside, 12 noon Eastern time, inside the app. Comment app here, or just go to, and then check your DMs, and the link will be there for you. Or go to your phone's app store and search Gardener's Workshop. Download the app. It's free, and it's a ton of fun, friends. So I can't wait to see you there. Ciao.